Hello everybody, this is Halloween Fan 101 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing actually a pretty interesting item. This is actually a UK model of a hand candy bowl, and the reason why it's a UK model is because really the only difference is it has the UK box from Asda, but I'm a little scared because it's in a pretty small box, so I don't know if they even included the original box because how small the box is. And fun fact, I'm pretty sure this actually came directly from Sunstar Industries because that's who it said the seller was, like where I bought it from. But yeah, and I wouldn't be surprised because it really does look like, you know, the Sunstar white boxes. But yeah, I guess I'll try to open it up. So hopefully it has that box, but if it doesn't, honestly, I don't even care. Alright. See if I can just rip this open. Oh shit! It has the box. Oh my god, it's brand new. Hopefully I don't get... Never mind, but... Oh my god, it's brand new. This is definitely a Sunstar box. Look at that. Holy crap. This is like fresh, like... Look, original. I'm gonna save everything, but pull tab. Oh my god. See, it doesn't, it's literally, I'm not taking this out. That's so cool, guys. Look, Asda Halloween Grab Treat Bowl. Wow. I'm gonna keep it new. I'm gonna keep it new. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.